Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Kuasar video. So with this tool, you can analyze thousands of social media videos. The videos could be from Instagram or TikTok. So you can analyze the videos of your competitors and then Kuasar is going to come up with some insights that can help you in order to beat your competitors. And this tool is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $1,000, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features. So here are all the features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So the tier 1 costs $59 where you can track 3 usernames. You have 100 video scores and 25 video analysis per month. If you need more limit, you can opt for the tier 2 or the tier 3 that lets you track 25 usernames, 100 video scores per month and 250 video analysis per month. So if you want to buy Kuasar video on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard. So after you log in, you are going to get this dashboard, and from this Kuasar video AI section, you have to add the accounts or the usernames. So you have to provide the profile link or the username on here. So for example, I want to add an account and then I have to choose how many of his videos I want to analyze. So for example, I just want to analyze the last 2 videos. So now all I have to do is just click on this plus icon and I have to select the username that I provided if it is for Instagram or TikTok. So I'm going to select Instagram and as you can see, the user has been added. So now I can analyze the last 2 videos of this account, MrBeast account, Instagram account. So click on analysis. Okay, so we have got the results from the analysis and these are last 2 videos. You can see the score. And you can also see the views, likes and comments and also the date when the video was created. So I just selected 2 videos, but you can select more than 100 videos. So this way you can super easily analyze a lot of videos of your competitors at once. And that is not the only feature that you get with Kuasar. So there are also some others such as this video script. So I have analyzed 2 videos of MrBeast, right? You can see those on here. So here are 2 videos. So now I want to know what kind of video script is used for these videos. So for that, I will go to this video script section and then I will click on the script the base videos. So as you can see, these were the last 2 videos and we also have got the script that are used for these videos. So for this video, the video script was a room filled with various items where the first person can keep whatever they touch first. And the another video, it showcases a group of people stranded on an island for 7 days. So just see how fast and how easy it is to get the video scripts of your competitors. And all the videos that you analyze, so I have analyzed only 2 videos, but if you analyze more, it could be 50, 100 or more than 100. So you can also ask questions about those videos. And for that, you will go to this section and then I will ask the question on this box. So both of the videos that I analyzed, as you can see, both of them have got massive amount of views. So I want to know what is the reason behind these videos getting so many views. And I will ask this question on this box. And then I will click on this ask a question. So as you can see, both of the videos have appeared. And you also have got the answer to the question on the right side. So this first video, it got a lot of views due to the intriguing concept of being able to keep whatever item is touched first in a room. And you can also see the answer to the question. So why this video is getting so much view? So here is the answer. And another great feature on here is this video search. So you can add some tags on this box and then you can click on analyze. So what this feature does is find all the videos that match with your tag. For example, if I add a tag called car, C-A-R, car, and then I click on analyze, I will get all the videos that I have analyzed which have cars on them. So this is how the video search feature is going to work. And on the right side, there is always a filtering setting. So on here, you can filter by username. So if you want to analyze videos of a specific channel only, you can select that from this username box. And if you only want to analyze Instagram videos, then you can also disable TikTok. And you can also select custom date range from this range, or you can also select a custom one. And then we have this video insights feature. So these are some of the pre-given templates, pre-given AI insight templates that you can use in order to get insights about certain videos. And I will select the videos from this filtering setting. So I can select a particular account from this username box. I can also select a particular social platform and also select a custom date range. So by filtering, I'm going to select some specific videos and then I can use these insight templates. So for example, I want to use this template. What marketing strategy should I follow? So now if I click on generate, based on the filter that I selected from this right side, this template, this insight template is going to run and then it is going to tell me what marketing strategy I should follow. So you have to remember this filtering setting on the right side is connected to the video insight that you use. So once again, if you want to see what kind of social media strategy should you follow, first you have to select some videos using this filtering and then you can click on generate and you're going to get your answer according to the data that you selected using the filters. And then we have this data dashboard. So on here you can see some statistics such as the engagement, engagement duration, sentiment engagement, keyword engagement, top used verbs, words, correlation number negative. So these are some of the stats. Overall, I think Kuasar Video is an excellent tool that lets you analyze videos of your competitors, and there are filtering settings so you can only choose specific videos. And there are a lot of helpful features such as you can see the video scripts of all the videos that you analyze. You can also ask various questions about those videos. You can find certain videos using tags. So all in all, I have to say this is an excellent video analyzer. And if you want to buy it from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.